Creative Kids. This is Eon.
I'm Geraldine, Eon's mom, and this is the Creative Kids Survival Toolkit.
Today we're going to teach you how to take the charcoal we made last week and turn it into ink and paint.
To make your charcoal into ink, you need something to crush the charcoal with, so I'm using a rock and a mortar and pestle. And then you need something to make the charcoal wet. So one of my options to use is water and honey, and another is an egg yolk. And these are going to make different kinds of paints that are going to look different. So I encourage you to experiment with whatever you have available and see what you can make. The first step to make the paint is to grind up your charcoal, and then the next step is just to mix it with your liquid. When adding the water to your charcoal, just start with a drop or two at a time and just add it until it's the right consistency for you.
Now add a teaspoon of honey to your water and charcoal mixture to thicken your ink and bind it all together. To make charcoal paint, you need an egg yolk. So your first step is to separate the yolk from the white by transferring it from one side of the shell to the other. Once you've got most of the white out, you want to pierce the membrane that the yolk is in and just let the runny part of the yolk drain out and put the membrane back with the whites. We're just going to use the yellow yolk. Then you're going to add your charcoal that's all ground up and mix it up.
So, how I use this charcoal thing is I take a dry piece like a crayon and I rub it on a thick piece of paper, and then I take a dry paintbrush and just make a design in the black, and that should make it so it turns white again. And if you want to get some dust off, you just blow the thing. And then, in those white lines that you made for your design, you take some of the ink and trace over it with a wet paintbrush. And then with this homemade paper, you could go back to maybe like one video back and you could see how to make homemade paper. I am drawing on my homemade paper with it.